Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. As you can see, today I also bring another sewing project, and this project is requested by one of my friend from China, Daisy Ray. I hope I pronounce her name correctly. So she have requested ask how to make a purse or bag organizer, and as you can see, I have prepared this project very nicely. We have two storage pockets, and then we have a two inside liner pocket, and on the back we have a three pockets. So these projects are so much fun, and you can use with the any leftover fabric. You can use with the any felt, or like the backing or whatever, anything you have in your hand. So let's go ahead and start it out to the project. All right, so I'm gonna show you very easiest way how to prepare bag or purse organizer. I'm gonna use for this bag, as you can see, it's only have a one compartment inside, and it's a big bag, so I really need when I put my stuff inside, I can find easily. So I have simply check how deep my bag organizer gonna go inside, and how much wide I need. So the measurements I have here, we need a 13 by 13 one piece here, the box piece. Then I have a two pieces of 10 by 5, and then we need one more piece, 13 by 6.5. You can measurement according to your bag, how much you need. So every bag is different, but I'm sure I can use this organizer in multiple of my bags, as majority almost like same size. So the first of all, we're gonna simply take our, and I'm using a felt for this because it's a thicker, and it's a better to use a felt than a fabric, and then you're gonna use inside the stabilizer, so better I can just use a felt because it's thick and it's easy to work with. So we are taking our 13 by 13 patch, we cut it already. Simply we are folding this, and we are taking one of our 10 by 5 inches patch, and gonna try to lay on a center, so as you can see, we have left the fabric from the sides. Careful, don't pin up the all three layers together. I just fold it so I can give you some idea how it's gonna look like. So simply we just gonna fold it from sides. It's like we are making a pocket, right? And I'm sure we all have some kind of leftovers, the stuff in our sewing room. Like I am using a leftover felt from my the sewing storage. So just you can use whatever you have in your hand. And we're gonna do same thing, exactly same thing on our this side. Like we have did here, we're gonna do here, and then we'll be back. All right, after pinning up our two side pockets, they're gonna look like something like this, but before heading to our sewing machine, we're gonna divide our pockets for the things we're gonna put inside. So I just have a couple things in my hand, like my glasses, and then face powder, or maybe something, the shades, and from here to, so it's like, the one side I can make just 2 pockets, and other side I can make 3 pockets. So just to have some idea, not only these things, if I wanna put something else like my lip gloss, or like, the comb or anything, so I can use those pockets. Okay, so now we have divided our spaces, and we know where we're gonna sew it. So now we're gonna head to our sewing machine. All right, as you can see, our outer line is almost done. We have very nice pockets on both sides, and now we have a one piece left, 6.5 inches by 13 inches. So this will be for our inside pocket, big ones. So inside we can have 2 compartments. So simply I'm gonna just sew from the center, so in that way this piece can divide it with the pockets, and something gonna look like this. And after that we will sew from the side, but first we're gonna sew from the center, just a simple stitch. So after sewing from a center, as you can see, we have this third piece. So simply we're just gonna lay, you can lay on either side, that doesn't matter, so simply I'm just gonna lay on one side, and that's our inside. If you see that, that's our outer, that's our inside. So we're gonna flip from inside out like this way, but make sure your outer fabrics are matching, because they are our main fabrics. And we are good to sew from both sides. Show you, if we flip inside out, it's already looking so cute. As you can see. Okay, so our project is almost done. We just have to do one more little step, which gonna bring more steadiness and neatness to our project. So as you can see, those 2 corners, we're just gonna take them in from pocket to pocket here. As you can see, you easily can, that's the fun work with the felt, so just do inside, and with your thumb you know where it is. And another way you can have idea from one pocket to other pocket corner, I mean, this one is not necessary, but since you're doing this project so nicely, so why not? All right, so we're gonna head to our sewing machine. Okay, so first we're gonna check how they look and then we will cut extra fabric. So to me they are looking fine, so we're just gonna cut a little bit extra fabric. Our bag organizer is ready to fill up with stuff, right? So very nicely came out. So you can see with these compartments, you know where your stuff is, so you still have one extra pocket to put stuff. As you can see, this bag turned out very nicely, and now we're gonna put inside of our bag and we'll see how it's work out. It's perfectly, look at that. You can find easily everything inside. This bag organizer turned out very nicely, and if you really enjoyed watching our today video, please give this video thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations. God bless you all and have a fabulous day. Bye bye.